Meaning of freckle.
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 Freckle. Freckles are small brownish spots that appear on the skin, often on the face and arms. They are caused by an increase in melanin, which is produced by skin cells to protect against damage from the sun. Freckles are more common in people with fair skin and tend to fade or disappear with age. While they are generally harmless, people may choose to have freckles removed for cosmetic reasons. Prevention of freckles can be achieved through wearing protective clothing and using sunscreen with a high SPF rating when outdoors.